Do you think you need thousands of dollars to start a business? That's no longer true. You don't need employees, a storefront, or previous experience. Just one idea, a little space, and a machine that does the work for you. Stay until the end because some of these options could become your first step toward a profitable business with very little investment. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered how much those who sell the sponges we use every day make? The answer is more than you might think. With a small kitchen sponge making machine, you can run a home-based business producing and packaging a mass consumption product that sells every day in every neighborhood shop. This machine cuts, molds, and presses sponges into various shapes and sizes. Some even combine abrasive fiber with polyurethane foam. The process is simple, fast, and you can customize the final product with colors, packaging, or even your own brand. At under $500 to import from China, you can start with minimal capital and sell sponges by the unit, by the dozen, or in special bundles. Corner stores, hardware shops, markets, and households always need them. You can be the one who manufactures, packages, and sells directly. No middleman needed. A machine that turns something basic into a steady daily income. Ideal for entrepreneurs who want to produce something useful, cheap, and with high turnover. We're aiming to reach 1,000 subscribers soon, and your support means everything to us. Let's continue. Automatic paper cup machine. The demand for eco-friendly packaging is booming, and paper cups are leading the way. This automatic paper cup machine gives you the chance to join that movement. It forms and prints paper cups with your own designs, perfect for cafes, food stalls, catering, or even your own drink brand. Businesses and events are always looking for custom-printed cups that look clean and professional. With single-use plastics being banned in more and more countries, the need for paper cups is only getting bigger. Imagine cups with fun slogans, wedding themes, or even small business branding. Importing one of these machines from China is simple, and it does not require a massive setup space. It is a clear opportunity to create something profitable while also being sustainable. The estimated cost is $5,000 to $7,000. Slushy Granizado machine. In hot climates or during summer, slushes practically sell themselves. With a Granizado or Frappe machine, you can offer a refreshing low-cost product with high turnover. This machine crushes ice in seconds and lets you add flavored syrups, fresh fruit, or even toppings to create eye-catching delicious drinks. Imported from China for under $500, it's compact, easy to operate, and perfect for a mobile sales point, home business, or placing at fairs, parks, and schools. It's also highly visual, perfect for social media promotion. The crunch of ice, the vibrant syrup colors, the decoration with candies or condensed milk, all of that turns a simple video into a customer magnet. You can sell ready-to-drink slushes or rent the machine for events. It's versatile, fun, and easy to scale. A small investment with a big-tasting business payoff. Eco Brickmaker. Plastic waste is everywhere, but this machine helps turn that waste into useful building blocks. The Eco Brickmaker compresses plastic into durable bricks that can be used for houses, schools, benches, or even garden projects. These bricks are in demand by eco projects, construction teams, and community organizations. You are basically turning pollution into profit while helping the planet. This machine is affordable to import, easy to operate, and gives you a chance to be part of the growing green business movement. Customers love products that are both practical and eco-friendly, which means this idea has huge potential. The estimated cost is $600 to $1,300. Popsicle Paletta machine. The Popsicle machine is one of those opportunities that blend creativity, flavor, and profit. With under $500 invested, you can start making artisanal popsicles in your own kitchen using natural fruit, yogurt, chocolate, or whatever you imagine. This machine can produce dozens of popsicles per day with molds that freeze quickly, reducing turnaround time and letting you fulfill orders fast. It's perfect for selling in your neighborhood, on social media, at fairs, or even via WhatsApp home deliveries. It also shines on TikTok and Instagram. From mixing flavors to unmolding the finished popsicle, that content triggers instant cravings. You can offer varieties, vegan, fitness-orientated, filled or combined, and with low production costs, your profit margins are high. A simple visual machine for a crowd that never tires of a good frozen treat. Crispy outside, delicious inside, and now you can make them in bulk with an electric egg roll machine. This machine automatically produces perfectly cooked egg rolls one after another. Whether you want to start a food cart, supply frozen meals, or add them to a catering business, this machine is a game changer. You can experiment with fillings from classic pork and veggies to creative ones like banana and Nutella. Pack them by the dozen and sell them at markets, festivals, or even supply local stores. It saves time, reduces labor costs, and helps you stand out in the food business. The estimated cost is $500 to $1,200. Homemade pasta machine, manual or motorized. A homemade pasta machine, manual or motorized, is a tool for creative gourmet entrepreneurship right in your kitchen. For under $500, you can import a compact machine that makes noodles, lasagna sheets, fettuccine, or filled pasta, all fresh and with your personal touch. The demand is growing, consumers value artisanal food, restaurants look for local suppliers, and gourmet shops take custom orders. Plus, you can film the entire process, kneading, cutting and packaging, and sell by the unit, by portion, or on a weekly subscription basis. You can also develop unique varieties, gluten-free, spinach, turmeric, beetroot, or flavored fillings, giving you a clear differentiator. An affordable, easy-to-use machine that turns your kitchen into a small revenue factory. Button badge making machine. Badges never go out of style. Whether it is a trending meme, a funny slogan, a political phrase, or even a logo, people love to wear them. With a button badge making machine, you can create them in seconds. Just print your design, press it, and your badge is ready to sell. They are great for schools, bands, events, and online stores. The profit margin is strong because the cost per badge is very low. You can even expand to magnets or keychains. This machine is compact, affordable, and easy for anyone to use, even beginners. It is a fun and profitable side hustle idea. The estimated cost is $100 to $300. Empanada making machine. If there's one thing that sells in every neighborhood, fair and shop, it's empanadas. With a semi-automatic empanada machine, you can turn this fast food classic into a profitable home-based business. This machine forms perfect empanadas in seconds, sweet or savory, without relying on manual molds or hours in the kitchen. Some versions even cut, seal and shape in one motion. You can import it from China for under $500 and it's designed for fast production with very little learning curve. You can use it yourself to sell ready-to-eat empanadas by the unit, dozen or bulk orders, or sell the machine as a business kit to others who want to start cooking from home. On social media, showing how you make dozens in minutes and then fry or freeze them creates buzz and sales. A simple business with cheap inputs and massive demand. Perfect to start today. Vacuum forming machine. This clever machine uses heat and suction to shape thin plastic sheets into custom packaging molds. Think about the packaging you see for chocolates, candies, or small electronics. That is exactly what this vacuum forming machine can create right from your workspace. If you are making soap, candles, or handmade products, this tool lets you design packaging that makes your items look professional and high-end. It is easy to use, compact, and much more affordable than large industrial machines. Just heat, shape, and you have packaging that adds instant value to your products. The estimated cost is $600 to $1,500. Mini thermal laminator / binder. A mini thermal laminator or binder is ideal for offering stationery services, school, office, or printing from home with minimal investment and high utility. You can laminate IDs, certificates, menus, cards, or important documents, giving them a professional look and long-lasting protection. You can also bind reports, manuals, custom notebooks, or planners and offer services to schools, teachers, students, entrepreneurs, or local businesses. Imported from China for under $500, it takes up very little space. Perfect for a home office or small warehouse. On social media, show before and after shots of laminated or bound documents to generate immediate orders. A simple practical machine with quiet but consistent demand. Ideal for entrepreneurs who offer a useful, easy-to-promote service. Automatic incense stick maker. If you are into wellness or love the calming vibe of incense, this machine is perfect. The automatic incense stick maker mixes your ingredients and produces perfectly shaped scented sticks quickly and without mess. You can experiment with unique blends like sandalwood lavender, vanilla chai, or even coffee. These sticks can be sold as part of relaxation bundles, spiritual kits, or on their own at markets and online shops. Wellness and self-care trends are only getting bigger, and incense has a strong customer base. This machine is simple to import, easy to run, and puts you in the middle of a profitable niche. The estimated cost is $300 to $700. Popcorn maker. A popcorn machine is a classic low-cost and highly profitable home or mobile venture. For under $500, you can import a compact unit from China that produces large batches of popcorn in minutes. Plain, flavored, or gourmet with an irresistible aroma that sells itself. You can sell at events, schools, parks, fairs, or even from home with fast combo deliveries. On social media, the pop sound, buttery sheen, and attractive packaging make content that quickly connects with viewers. Plus, you can create sweet, spicy, or gourmet flavor bundles and offer personalized party packages. A straightforward machine, minimal ingredient cost, and a timeless product. Perfect for a visually appealing, profitable start. Desktop CNC router. If you enjoy building or crafting, the desktop CNC router is an amazing tool. It carves wood, foam, plastic, and even soft metals with high precision. Just upload your design and let the machine do the work. You can make custom furniture parts, signs, toys, or even prototypes for inventions. Despite its industrial power, it fits in a regular home or workshop space. Makers, artists, and small business owners can all benefit from the versatility of this machine. It is like having a digital sculptor at home. The estimated cost is $800 to $2,000. Soap making machine. Handmade soap has become a huge trend. This soap making machine makes it simple by melting, mixing, and molding soap bars for you. You can get creative with ingredients like lavender, oatmeal, charcoal, or essential oils to make unique products. With just a small workspace and some packaging, you can start a soap brand from home. These bars sell well on Etsy, in farmers markets, and even in beauty salons. The startup cost is not high, and the process is straightforward, making it perfect for someone who wants to enter the skincare market. The estimated cost is $400 to $1,200. Number 10. Mini Thermal Label Printer. A mini thermal label printer is a small but mighty tool for any entrepreneur. It prints personalized labels for products, QR codes, price tags, decorative stickers, or organizational notes. No ink needed and controlled directly from your phone. At under $500 to import, its compact size makes it perfect to offer services from home or sell as a standalone product. On social media, demonstrate it printing creative phrases, logos, or eye-catching designs. Content that draws instant interest and attracts buyers. It's perfect for online stores, handmade goods entrepreneurs, event planners, stationery shops, or inventory-based businesses. A modern, affordable, user-friendly machine with a growing market. Ideal for a niche where organization and presentation matter. Cup sealing machine boba style bubble tea is a global craze, and one of the things that makes it stand out is the sealed cup top. This small cup sealing machine makes your drinks look professional and keeps them spill-proof. It is perfect for bubble tea, iced coffee, smoothies, or fresh juice. You can even customize the film with your brand logo. Whether you run a cart, sell at festivals, or just want to level up your at-home drink business, this machine gives your drinks a polished, professional look. The estimated cost is $200 to $450. And there you have it. No storefront, no rent, no extra hires needed. From food and crafts to personalized products and in-demand services, all you need is a clear idea, a reliable tool and the drive to get started. If you enjoyed this content, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.